Black is the ultimate color statement for your vehicle. No other color makes vehicles look more luxurious, intimidating, and mysterious. But with these benefits comes the widely known difficulty in maintaining a black finish, as black tends to make swirl marks, micro scratches, and general paintwork dullness that much more apparent. The finished experts at Turtle Wax have developed the Jet Black Black Box Finish Kit, a collection of high-performing products to help you restore and maintain your vehicle's original deep, rich black shine without leaving any white powdery residue. Each product within the kit is infused with specialized black pigment, helping to fill and mask any blemishes on the surface of one's black finish. To start with Turtle Wax's Jet Black Black Box Finish Kit, wash and thoroughly dry the vehicle to be treated, then position the car out of direct sunlight and only working with panels that are cool to the touch. Starting with the Step 1 Black Pre-Wax Cleaner, apply it to one of two included applicator pads. Working with one panel or area at a time, apply the Black Pre-Wax Cleaner using back and forth motion to deep clean any contaminants previously ingrained in the finish. Allow it to dry to a haze, and then using the black spray detailer, lightly mist onto a folded microfiber towel or directly onto the panel and remove the haze Black Pre-Wax Cleaner. Continue this first step for the entirety of the vehicle's black painted surfaces before moving on to Step 2. Using the second foam applicator, apply Step 2 Black Carnauba Wax to one area or panel at a time, again using back and forth motions. Once it dries to a haze, use a fresh microfiber towel and black spray detailer to again remove the haze, buffing to a deep black, high shine. Survey the vehicle, touching up any final spots with a black spray detailer and a fresh microfiber towel, enhancing the finish. And for highly weathered or oxidized black finishes, it's recommended to use a random orbital polisher and two separate soft foam pads for the pre-wax cleaner and Black Carnauba Wax, setting a speed of no more than 1500 RPM. Turtle Wax's Jet Black Black Box Finish Kit revitalizes, brightens, and deepens dull, faded black paint, replenishing lost color, status, and shine only in a fraction of the time.